Aloha guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today I'm going to teach you today's lick of the day. Now, it happens that the other day I ended up posting the wrong lick, so I ended up having to post another lick. Today I posted yesterday's lick again and then ended up posting today's lick. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. It's a pretty cool bluesy lick, and it's got to do with double stops. And double stops are just, you know, playing two strings at once. So how the lick goes is like this. Okay? And so what that is I'm hitting the bottom two strings at the 3rd fret, and then I'm muting, and I'm catching the top two strings. And it doesn't matter, you can do any strings as long as it's muted. So, and those are ghost notes. And then I hit these two notes, which is the 5th and the 6th on the 3rd fret and 3rd string and the 2nd string. And I go back to the 1st and 2nd string at the 3rd fret. And so notice after I hit this, I hit a ghost note again. So, and then I hit the 2 at the 6th fret on the bottom two on the 6th fret, and then back to the 1st and 3rd. And then now the lick goes. So that's 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 3 open. And then I hammer on from 3 to 4, and this is all on the 3rd string. And then I catch the 5th fret of the top string. So, and I hit the chord again. So. That kind of thing. And notice that's keeping the time, right? It's also my ghost noting. So have fun with that lick. Hopefully you guys like it. If you'd like to see more licks like this, go to my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. And right now we have a free 2-week trial membership. So if you sign up, you can get 2 free weeks. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I could use more subscribers. So again, guys, thank you for all your support, and aloha.